Hi there, this is Eva from EnglishWithEva.com, and we're going to have conversation together now. You have learned the vocabulary and the grammar, and if you don't know how to work with this course, just go to EnglishWithEva.com and follow the instructions. So, 3,000 words, lesson 5, conversation. Answer my question and try to give me very long answers. Thank you for that. Do you need anyone's permission to go out? Are you able to bend a fork? Have you read anything by Shakespeare? What's the color of your pants that you are wearing right now? What months are included in winter? What are you most proud of? Do you watch any TV series regularly? Are you afraid to walk in the dark? Do you have fair hair? Can you describe any of your lamps? And now you create questions from following words. Hope, public, natural, where, no. Take a paper and a pen and write down the dictation. Regular exercise affects almost every cell in the body. In addition to weight loss, exercise can promote a sharper mind, better sleep, minimize depression and anxiety, strengthen muscles and bones, or reduce the risks of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. And now go to EnglishWithEva.com, open the instructions, and do the listening. Thank you. Bye-bye.